welcome back to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. Most of the time I'm opening up my videos with my very greasy bonnet on. A lot of the time, okay? So I figured I'll come to a little more decent this time, okay? Yeah, so as y'all saw in the title, I'm going to be doing at-home maintenance, okay? Guys, so I think first I'm just going to start with my brows. So I am going to be using this Wet n Wild. It actually is attached to a brow pin because after I'm done, I'm kind of going to like fill in the sparse areas, but not actually go in fully with a full brow. I got this from my nail tech a while ago. She knew that I had very sparse brows, and so she would definitely groom them, and then she would go in with a little bit of a brow pin to like help it have just a more defined look, you know? My little razor, just 99-cent store, okay? So we're gonna start with brushing that brow up. And I will not be taking off a lot, you guys. It's time to really groom the brows for real, okay? And then I'm just gonna brush this one up for now, but I probably will have to go back in. So I always start very low because I just don't want to shave off the upper brow, okay? So I'll just kind of go in like that. And I just take off what needs to go, okay? And also what I should have taken off a long time ago. And then I just kind of go back here, just kind of getting that lower area. Now, like I said, I'm not taking off much. When I get to this area up here, I always take my finger and place it over the brow just so as not to, like, go over more than I should. Okay, now let me check it out up close in the mirror. And then I'm going to brush these up and make sure I feel like I have all my hairs. That don't look too bad, right? I feel like I still need to take some off right here. Sometimes you still have to go in and pluck, and I see one where I may have to. Oh my God, this long one. I think I'm gonna keep my long one right there because it's just gonna give me some definition. Ow! That hurt. Told you guys, that's why I hate it. That's why I literally try to shave it down so good so that I don't have to worry about that. And I don't have many. That one came out easy. I feel like my lace is lifted right there still. So can you see the difference? Groomed up, looking a little more, you know, defined, and this one needing a lot of help, okay? Yeah, so I'm going to take this Milani. It's the Green Goddess Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. I am going to take it and I'm going to just kind of squeeze it out, 2 drops. I'm going to apply another oil, and that is the Jamaican black castor oil. You know, rejuvenates, replenishes, and helps to restore, like, and helps to grow hair. A little bit there, and I'm just gonna like sit it there for a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to brush those hairs up. And I'm just going to fill in just a little bit. I'm not doing too much. Just kind of going in where you see them very sparse, you know? I'm going to go into this gold palette. This is the Gold Obsessions palette, actually, by Huda Beauty. And I'm just going to dip into this one. So I'm just going to go under this part of the brow and just kind of keep it looking lifted, okay? I never even used this palette before. And we're going to go up under that brow. See, it's instant lift. We all done with the brows, okay? I am loving them. They look pretty good. Finally, I've done them. I have not grown my brows in a very long time, probably since like last year, and it probably was like way before Christmas, okay? It's been a little while. I've always kept those hairs there because when I do the brow pencil, it gives it that illusion of hairs, like, you know, interconnecting to each other, but it was time for those extra hairs to go, because once I'm not wearing makeup, I just feel like very odd about those hairs being there. So now I feel a whole lot better, okay? All right, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. So yes, part of maintenance, you have to keep those lips looking good. I'm kind of feeling like my lips are super dry, so that is perfect for right now for what I need to do. So I have this lip scrub. This is by Beauty Bakery, and it's in the scent vanilla, okay? So I'm going to dampen my lips a bit. Then I'm going to take a little bit out of there like this and start to scrub these lips. Hey guys, and then once you're done, you will feel that this particular lip scrub leaves your lips already soft. But I'm going to go a little bit further and then apply my own lippies, okay? All right, you guys, so now I have on my second ring light, you guys. So now that I've finished with the Sugar Lip Scrub by Beauty Bakery, now I'm have this really soft and like really moisturized lip. I'm actually shocked. I've used it a few times, but I haven't used it in a while and forgot how really good and moisturizing it really is. And now it's left my lips are really soft. And so now that I have that nice vanilla scent, you know, going, I'm going to use this chapstick, and it's bananas and cream. This is my favorite one to have. So I'm actually going to scrape, like really pick it off like this. And then I'm going to rub it around. I just find that I can get in there better. So I'm going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like a lip stain, and it's called Hot Pink. Now we're not gonna go in too crazy with it, to go very, very, very light, okay? We're gonna just like dip it here. Yeah, gonna stain the lip. Gonna stain it. Okay, and then we're gonna take, I'm gonna take a tiny little bit more, just a bit. Lastly, you guys, this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. I'm going to actually put a little bit onto my lip. Just a little bit. Just to give it a little sheen. And just make sure you have the desired pink. I would prefer a stain, because a stain just kind of gives it more of like a natural type of lip color, because it settles into the lips. It's kind of a little bit mattening, so it kind of can give you like that flesh tone kind of look to your lips. And then just put a little bit of a darker nude gloss, but do not gloss it up unless you want it that way. I just want a little bit just to give me a nice shine. And look, looks good. So yeah, now you guys, we are moving on to nails. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this raw sugar. This is a watermelon fresh mint. It's pretty much gone, but I like to use it for my hands, and of course it's for the body, but it's super moisturizing. It smells so good. All right, guys, so I'm going to be using this sugar scrub by Raw Sugar, and it has a pineapple, maki berry, and coconut. So what I'm going to do is use this on my hands. A little bit, just about that much, and scrub it all around my hands. All right, you guys, now I'm going to use this Soap and Glory. This is a hand food hydrating hand cream. It has macadamia oil and marshmallow root extract. So, ooh, look how soft the hands look. They look nice and soft and clean. So, you guys, I did get a pedicure at the nail salon, but because I wear a lot of press-ons. I really don't get my nails done there. I just do them at home. Just because I got my toes done at the nail salon does not mean I still can't take care of the feet. So this is what I would normally use. Is the Soap and Glory Heel Genius Hydrating Foot Cream. So I do have that too. I normally use this in the evening though, and then I put socks on. So just kind of soften up the feet, give it some extra moisturization after I lotion them and oil them up. Definitely add this on, put on some socks, sleep in them overnight, and you will find that your feet will be so much softer in the morning, okay? Yeah, that's what I needed to do to my brows. My brows look so much better, you guys. Like, literally, they do look a lot better. They may not be sisters, but they looking like they belong in the family, okay? So, all right, guys, let's continue with the hands. I know you guys see that I now have changed my clothes because doing the nails, I could not keep my robe on because the sleeves would just interrupt everything. So now we're just gonna move on to the skin a bit. I already used Skin by Lori Harvey. So now I'm coming in with the Dominique's Hydrating Spray, one of my all-time favorites. I've just been using it for my skin, makeup, just whenever I want to refresh. So this is really good for that. And I'm starting to be addicted to it, okay? So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. I'm gonna let that dry into the skin. Now I have my Wet n Wild Prime Focus Serum. It's a primer serum. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on. So I just want to rub that in just a tad bit, you guys. And then I'm gonna go in with this Herbivore skin tool. So this is the package that it comes in, and this is how it looks. It's just a skin firming tool. Now this is my first time using it, you guys, but I know I've seen a lot of people use it, and you're just supposed to like pull it back, I believe. And I see a lot of people do it with like a serum on their face. I already did my brows, so I don't want to mess them up. Massaging your face, you know, kind of like stimulates the blood flow, helping to be a benefit of like making your face appear brighter as well. Also, I will link the tool down below. I believe I got it from Revolve, but you can go on herbivore.com. I checked out their website, and they have like face oils, creams, body, you know, product as well. feel like it makes your face feel really good, and like I said, it increases blood flow to have your face appear brighter, and over time of using the tool, more firm. So I'm actually really excited to start using this all the time. So I have this little pack that it comes in, so I will just go and probably just rinse it off and just keep it in here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll keep it right here. As you guys can see, I have this little hook. So once I'm done with things like this, and I do not want to put this away, because then if it's out of sight, then it'll be out of mind. So then I have this here hook. So you guys, so it has this hook here, and then I'll just always be able to place it there. So yeah, you guys, so I'm not really going to pony makeup today, but I will be spraying some more. I have been using this. I have been using that obsessively, okay? And then what I'm going to do is bring in the Dominique Cosmetics skin gloss. This is in the color Sunset Glow. So I'm going to let this settle in my skin just a little bit more for a few more seconds. And it's a little cream. This is really quality too. Look, you guys. Has a nice mirror. I'm going to put a little bit onto the nose and then pat it in. We don't want it to look crazy. And then we're going to pat it on in. And then we're going to pat on the forehead. Yeah, just going to give it a glow. We're going to give it a glow. Oh, it looks nice and shiny. See, this is what you wear to the beach. This is the type of stuff you wear to the beach. We're not wearing no full faces of makeup to the beach in 2022, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed me, you know, just doing this at-home kind of maintenance check-in, okay? Because it was time. It was time. Those brows, that was my most highlighted moment today, was the brows, even over the nails. Ooh, and over the lips too, which is shocking, but yeah, I still loved it all. Hey guys, okay, so today I'm actually trying to do a new banner now, and as you see, I try to design this. I actually designed this on Thumbnail Maker. If anybody is aware of that app, I'll bring it up in a little bit. Alright guys, so here is Canva. I'm on Canva, and I'm actually going to go over here to projects, and I've already started in making one, and so this is the one I'm thinking about putting up, because it just has the pink background, and then it will allow for this middle picture to actually go in the banner. And so these are a bunch of other ones I was thinking of right here. These are just some other logos that I'm thinking of putting on there. As you see, this is how it originally looked, and this is how I was changing it, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I'm not sure yet. And these are old ones. I actually used these on old videos when I did the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills. I finished it. It didn't come out quite like I wanted it, but I'm gonna stick to it, and if I have to do it different later, then I will. I kind of like it, kind of don't, kind of feel like I need to do something different later, but for now, this will work. This is what we're working with, okay? This is the one. I just don't like having this white and this green line. I really love the black. I stacked it. I did a stacked picture just because kind of looked kind of cool. May change it back to just only this later, but for now, this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna just go with this for now. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to do. I was tired of it being super blank, or what did I have? I had like these streaming lights. Wasn't cute anymore, okay? Wasn't cute anymore. So yeah, so I did that, and I'm happy about it. So, yeah. So I finally got that done. I've been wanting to do that for a little while. I know it's nothing big, but it also definitely shapes your channel. Like, you know, so when people come to your channel, they know, you know, when people come to your channel, they know what they should be looking for. Like, what do you do on here? You know, what made me really want to change it was not that I was tired of seeing that and knew that I needed to do that. It was me watching a channel talking about like your YouTube growth and some things that you need to shape up and change with your channel. And so I was like, oh my God, that was one of the biggest things they talk about. Like, what does your banner say? I also want to change some more of my banners, so you guys may see a change from here again. I want to actually do it over. Anyway, you guys, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. I finally finished that, and I'm going to wind down, listen to this podcast before I hit the pillow, okay? See you guys later. Peace.